Hello everyone, welcome back to Yummy Cook Bro. Today we are making a super easy and absolutely delicious chocolate Mari biscuit pudding. So let's get started. You can see the ingredients in the description. We can start off by mixing the butter into a creamy paste. Add sugar and mix until it becomes a smoothie paste. And now you can add cocoa powder to it. Add a bit of egg yolk and mix the paste well. And now you can add a few drops of vanilla. Now we are adding a few tablespoons of milk. Once the icing is ready, you can start soaking the biscuits. Place the soaked biscuits on a tray. And now it's time to apply the first layer of icing on the biscuits. There goes the second layer of biscuits. And the second layer of icing. Again the biscuits layer. And one final icing layer on top. It's time to add the chocolate ganache on top of the pudding. This gives the biscuit pudding a beautiful look and enhances the taste of it. And here we go. The biscuit pudding is ready for you. Thanks for watching.